If you're facing an NFC not working issue on your iPhone, here's how you can fix it. First, open Settings and make sure that airplane mode is turned off while making NFC payments. Then, scroll down a bit and tap General. Next, tap AirPlay and Continuity. Then tap Automatically AirPlay and switch it to Never if it's currently set to Automatic. If it's already set to Never, change it to Automatic. Now, open Settings again, scroll down, and tap General. Then tap AirDrop and select Everyone for 10 minutes to turn AirDrop on. After that, try using NFC again. The third method is to remove your iPhone case and then try using NFC. For the last method, head over to Settings again and go to General. Scroll to the bottom and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap Reset and select Reset All Settings. It may take a few minutes for your iPhone to restart and apply the changes. And that's it. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.